Well, what Sonia probably doesn't know, Survivor is actually kind of the reason I'm here.
Me know you want me money and me know that.
The rain has its own rhythm back here. Steady, unbothered, patient. The boys are out there going back and forth over laundry, teasing, debating, half working, half performing. It's loud, but it's life. And some days that noise feels heavier than it should. Nothing dramatic happened, just little things, missed moments, short steps, the kind that make you question whether anything is actually sticking. I used to measure growth in semesters. Now it's measured in conversations, in pauses, in whether someone chooses differently the next time. Maybe that's the shift. Maybe progress isn't a straight line. Maybe it's rain soaking in quietly, doing its work underground where you can't see it. The puppies don't analyze the day, they just chase each other through it. Maybe that's the reminder that not every day needs to prove something. Sometimes it's enough to show up, to stay steady, to let the rain fall, and trust that something good is still growing. Well, it said you should bring your PE gears. I mean, I guess if you don't want to have a change of clothes, then you would wear your PE gears. But him and principal told me yesterday. Oh yeah, I got to talk to the principal about Junior because he got first place. Remember that little road race? Where's your medal? Let me see the medal. I'll ham it up while you go get the medal. Yeah. Anyway, I was just doing my tutoring thing with my combed hair yesterday. Well, it wasn't. Anyway, it was moderately presentable. But yeah, the principal came in and said, "Oh, by the way, Junior's got a race today. Him and maybe 3 or 4 other people that placed well are going to The next level, whatever the race is. I don't even know where it is. Junior, you're so modest, dude. Cool. Yeah, it's not like it's the men's final Olympic hockey game, but it's close. Do you know where your PE gears are? So we gotta find them because you gotta wear them because you gotta run today. You should probably go eat some food, drink some water. You're practicing your arms up at the end of the race. Victory. Let's see that. How's it go? Oh, I can't believe it. I won again. Yay, me. Okay. It's always a fun morning to find out. Oh, hey, by the way, you're going to go run a few miles in a competition. Go get them. I'm sure you got this. No, don't stop. Don't stop on the fabric, bro. PE gears, getting ready. You good? Okay. Also turns out tomorrow is Jamaica Day at junior school. Teacher just sent me a text. Popular guy this morning. Both the teacher and the principal texting me before school, and not even about anything bad. Can you believe it? Yeah, Jamaica Day tomorrow. So here's his suggestion, because the teacher didn't even tell me. She just said you had a suggestion. What is it, sir?
Green banana.
Where do we get green banana?
In a book.
We don't have any green banana. Did you see any green banana? Okay. Yeah, we haven't.
Oil.
Okay, we could explore oil.
I'm gonna buy that one.
It was your suggestion, wasn't it?
Oil.
Uh-huh.
Remember.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, sugar.
Sugar. How does sugar promote Jamaica Day, Junior?
Then we're gonna make jobs.
Oh. Well, let me verify that with the teacher. We'll see what we can do. You should go get ready. the unofficial sugar is quite prevalent in Jamaica. I'm not gonna lie. You probably know, but they're gonna make drops. They're gonna make drops. Can't make drops without sugar. Goes against my very fibers. I went to school.
And then people going to take us again, get called, say, oh, then they in a fight. No, the go school, now pit in the school go learn. The go school go gap in a class and no how to.
Tell them.
Oh no, you only need to go to school, man, and stop Bible on the road. You have left out at 20 minutes after 7, now when you reach at school all after 8. At 9 o'clock, what want to do on the road? You're not supposed to go to school, man. Yeah, you're supposed to go to school 8 o'clock in the market. Yes, then see you in the market. You know, so Miss Christy have been down our yard where her mother first we got film school. Yes. One girl, Miss Christie asked her, say, who did I fight? And he said, me no know, and Miss Christie send her asked her, because she didn't have market too. So another thing said people now watch Uno. They might watch Uno because they know Uno. You know what she asked Craig yesterday, say? Vacation. Yes, vacation, vocation, whatever you want to call it here, same thing. Same one you travel and go hotel, foreign, wherever. Then one day, be a neither. When I bed now, see how we last night when I was thinking for them. See how we left out the school. Yeah, we come tell us go on what if you bed. Can you tell me see you not bed neither? Me have Craig call me this morning and me don't let me know here and come in and answer call Craig. Craig, you know what Craig called me ask me? Because I need uniform for him. We never send Craig go get fight. I never send Craig go to school, go sit down in the market and go gamble and go and man $100 and go beat him up over $100. That's what Miss Christie said they told her. He was gambling. Oh, you know that David up on TikTok, so good luck. Them video the fight. Them video fight, Dave. And Miss Christie said the boy was on top of Craig. You up there and see everything? Let me answer one question. You up there and see everything when you're supposed to dance school, don't it? Just Dave, when you're supposed to dance school, it won't. When I in a market, then your fellow friend go buy screen protectors and you so early the seat the fire one. Where they? I saw early they won't in the phone place. Really? Well, Miss Christie said, I go up a market today, go tell the people, I go up there in Beagle, they pin them for a gamble, to tell them, say, when they say school, people come there for gamble, send them go to school, or send them at the yard, when school open and you go state and go tell the police, if you go up there morning time. You never thought that one there? Hands up as much as you want, Dave. I put your hands up. That one I didn't trouble with them already, you know. Yeah. And I'm going to show you that police always go up there. Police always go up there. They don't go up there when they're not fighting today. One body come up there, but they run. So, they're not getting in trouble. They need to go up there. Why is just 10 people at their school? Police can't do that. Say, what, I got KFC or mother some money time? Me? Bro.
Oh boy.
Run,
Brownie, run. I'm not gonna save you. Oh, you're so cute though. Hi, good morning. He's alright. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Oh, yeah. Oh, you survived outside all by yourself. Hi, no, you can't eat me, bro. You can't eat me, bro. Oh, boy. Go get Dave. Go get him. Puppy. Puppy, I go. Alright, I know.
I'll feed you today.
Dave, what are you doing? Hey, outside. Okay. Good job, Morris. Yep, he's a wiggler. Don't drop him.
Yeah.
Dave, he's wiggling.
Yeah, I'm green.
All right, good job, Morris. Oh boy. Okay. Wow.
Hey,
Morris, gentle. Gee. Yo, let me see that shirt, man. Let me see that shirt. You know what that says? Hold on, hold still. You know what that says? That says Minnesota. He's like, I have no idea what that means. Look, there's even a Sasquatch. Crazy. All right, cool shirt, bro. Man, you don't even know what a Sasquatch is. They're real. Probably. We'll Google Sasquatch later. Goodbye. Try to stay out of the market. Maybe go straight to school. Yeah? No, you can't, Dave. It's not 7:20. Oh. You know that. It's almost 7:30.
Yeah. That's how you come down here. You don't want to see on Facebook.
Junior, the principal gave me this yesterday, and I want to give it to you in an effort to motivate you to do well today. Are you ready?
Thanks.
I know. Don't drink it all at one time. Now go to school.
about
You couldn't manage the socks. Where are the socks?
They will have room what we care them because me and them they full.
Yes, you couldn't manage the socks. I knew it. Go for the socks.
I'll put this in, sir. No, take your penalty.
What is that?
Socks.
Oh, you can fit them in your hand. You tell Junior goodbye.
Junior. Goodbye.
Yeah, but he's still here. Marge, you gotta get him out the door. Rain a fall, breeze a blow. Oi, oi. Goodbye, Junior. Goodbye. Good luck on the race. Stay hydrated. Remember to turn in the right road. Don't get lost. Nope. I don't know. You're just gonna have to follow directions.
I
didn't. I don't want to know. I don't want to know. Hey, put the lotion down, bro. Put the lotion. Magic.
Oh.
I don't know. He prayed to the lotion gods.
No, that's the leg.
What?
That's the leg and the game.
Okay. Yeah, I probably did. Goodbye, Junior. Mars, we'll tell him goodbye. He's leaving.
Goodbye, Junior. Goodbye.
Is he gone?
No.
He's still here?
Yeah.
You gotta keep telling him goodbye. Goodbye.
Bye.
Is he gone yet?
No, I'm still the bug.
Try again.
Bye. Bye.
It's working. It's working.
Junior.
You're doing it. No, he's going the wrong way. Oh my goodness. Try again.
Bye.
Later. Good luck.
Good luck.
Don't
Good
take.
luck, Chocolate.
Wow. All right, Cheetah.
Good luck, Good luck, Bus.
Okay. All right. We're going to school. Oh, hey.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Well, as you can kind of guess by this morning's happenings, yesterday was quite the rainy day. Metaphorically, literally. You know what you do after rainy days? You air out your laundry, man. Thankfully, we got some sun today, because yesterday, I'm not even talking a little bit of rain. Like, literally, it poured quite a bit. Yeah, I know. I hope we dry up a bit here, because the stop leak did not stop a little bit of the leaks. It's getting better. We're getting there. Morning. Okay. Calm down. Yeah. Cool. All right, ladies and gents. Well, ladies and ladies. There's 2 feeders. Yeah, I know. Nobody wants to go to that one. It's beautiful. But I guess this works too. So, yesterday. We'll start off with the simpler one. Yeah, Junior got... You know when you tutor at your kid's school, you get to find out firsthand what's going on. Yeah, Junior has been taking his sweet time to get to school. Yeah, yesterday, the teacher had to inform me. He's been getting distracted and not going directly to school and showing up relatively late, so he's no longer permitted now to go to the high gate before he goes to school. He's expected to go to school straight. Hello, good morning. Looking very stoic today. Okay. Yeah, and then there's Craig. Craig, short version, got into a fight yesterday in the marketplace over, you guessed it, some alleged gambling, and although apparently not directly involved, caused a fight over $100. $100. Oh wow. You guys fighting? Okay, I'll come back later. Yeah. Got to go to the health center clinic to get his wounds bandaged, and eventually made it to school. So yeah, I don't know. We're stuck on that one right now. We are going to choose our battles accordingly. I know, I can't believe it. Talking to chickens again. Just checking to see if you guys got food. I think we're all right for now. But yeah, so phone privileges are gone again. No motivation to get to class on time today. And you sigh and say, well, at least my rosemary looks nice. Oh, here's a fun one. Like, how do you know you got a bunch of rain last night? Well, when you have a few buckets put out, first of all, the rainwater tanks are full again, so yay for that. But yeah, this is what you see. Now, don't be fooled. This bucket is not empty. Right? Oh, wait, let's check this one. Did we get a lot of rain? Just a little bit. Dang. Gonna dry off today, hopefully. Yeah, gonna dry off today. That's the goal. Literally, metaphorically. Oh, look. Yes, the waterfall. Look at this. Wow. Yeah, looking good. Looking good. Whoa. That is the waterfall. Yeah. Definitely made an impact. We're gonna have to patch you up today. Jamaica. Alrighty, we're gonna try it. All right, that's been relieved for now. But speaking of relief, I'm kind of pretty stoked about this walkway, because without it, this would be a mud pit. But with it, it is nicely washed off. All the water flows that way and down, which is nice. And underneath this awning provides a nice little dry, shady spot for Miss Emma. Good morning. You good? Don't give me that look. All right.
Yeah, she think I'm school.
You're doing what?
Nigga, she think I'm
Which sweetie? Who gave you sweetie?
baby.
Did Nana give you sweetie?
Look.
Really? You're gonna show me the secret stash? Whoa! Snacks. Oh, let me see. Hold on, let me see this. Oh my. The sweetie's gone! Oh no! Oh, okay. Better put it back in your bag before I find it again. Alright, we're going to school. right?
Granddad, guess what?
We're going to school.
Guess what?
Yes. Mars. I'm gonna walk away slowly. Walking away slowly. Yes. Sugar water. Yay! Oh boy.
Yeah, yeah.
We're going to school.
Nagkaya ko makakwaliti sa dirani dumpling. And next for Fiatito. Yeah?
Look at you, Tom Cruise. Go again.
Look at.
Whoa. Whoa. That's some risky business right there, bro.
Look at.
I'm gonna keep practicing.
Look at.
Oh, okay.
Look at.
I'm trying. It's painful to watch, but I'm trying. You ready to go to school? Oh, I'll take that. It broke. No, you're going to school.
School?
Not today.
I'm gonna do school.
Not today.
Why?
Because I don't volunteer today. I volunteer tomorrow.
When are you gonna do school?
I literally just told you tomorrow.
Tomorrow again?
Again.
Granddad!
Okay. We're going to school. Close enough. You good?
Oh, what is broken mini?
Oh, well.
And
Good thing we got two.
the foot.
Okay. Let's go to school. Got it? Watch out for that glass. Admire, huh? All right, spin. Gotcha. Here. That's enough, yeah.
It's something on my neck.
Okay, okay, that's good. That's good. Oh, you cut it. Okay, you cut it. Yo, no, that's it. Okay. We're going to school.
We are like.
Is that the whole song? There's no other words? Oh, well, we're late. Let's go. Okay. All right, you're going to walk backwards and sing the song? How's it go?
We are late. 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 We are late.
Where's water?
All right, walking in a hurry. Walking in a hurry. Your foot burned you?
Yes.
I never seen a 4-year-old get carried like a 1-year-old.
Lucky Boggy, come.
Oh, Sluggy's coming.
Lucky
Wow. Really? At least Nana's getting her workout in. Almost there.
We need so much food.
Your bag,
Get
sir.
your bags, man. Get your bags.
The other bag, sir. All right, go get them.
Pati money on him.
Bye.
Gunga ka din, Chi.
You sharing your gungo peas with me? Wow. That's how you know they care. I'll give you some of their gungo. Gungo?
Yeah.
Gungo peas. Tastes like sugar snap peas. A little less sugar. A little more snap.
Yes, man.
I think I just tasted some gungo. While the sun is shining, the weather is much more enjoyable than yesterday. And I'm trying to not be in a pissy mood. I'm trying. The weather does not reflect my mood. It's supposed to be complimentary. You need to say it's a new day, new opportunities for shining, and all the kids are gone. Everybody made it to school, albeit one of them an hour late. Sigh. You want to hear something interesting? One of our loyal commenters, accidentally or not, came across some of our older videos, you know, when I had hair and you had less hair, and was reflective on like the jovialness and the level of, I don't know what the right word is. Our demeanor sometimes has changed, I guess, and I think it's for a variety of factors, including the others amongst us. And so I need to continue to make a conscious effort to say,
it's a new day.
it's a new day.
It's a new start.
Okay, well, we're going to try and turn that frown upside down, right?
Yeah.
Fake it till you make it.
Yep.
With Aki. Can't stay mad at forever. You got puppies being cute. Thanks, guys, gals. I needed that. Hey, put the food dish down. You guys ate already. Alright, we'll figure it out. Good job, Emma. You're doing great. No. Alright. Moods are shifting. Life is looking up. Well, you better hurry, dear, because I'll start without you.
How long it gonna take?
A few hours. Oh yeah, you know what just makes a better day besides puppies? That's right, Survivor 50, first episode just came out, and we're doing it, dear. We're doing it. I'm buying season 50 for a whopping $23. That'll make anybody have a better day. All right, feet up, 2 hours. Well, speak for yourself, dear. I'm being sedated into a better mood. Survivor season 50, episode 1. Don't judge. Here we go.
Thank you.
Yeah, nothing like retirement 9:30 a.m. popcorn to watch the first episode of Survivor 50. I don't know if I told you this. Did I tell you this?
No.
Mom and I used to watch Survivor when I was... It came out in 2000, so that means the first season we watched, I was 16.
Never watch it.
15. Well, what Sonia probably doesn't know, Survivor is actually kind of the reason I'm here. So
is that a true story?
That's true. I'm not making this up. Mom and I used to watch Survivor every season, and that was our jam. Thursday nights, back when it was on Thursdays, and the whole idea of going to an island, living there, was one of the reasons I joined the volunteer organization to come to Jamaica. Even though I was supposed to go to the Philippines in a remote, isolated post, but somehow got changed a month before I was supposed to leave. Short version is, indirectly or not, Survivor's the reason we're here today.
They never told me this.
I know. It's true. I can't make this stuff up.
No, when they tell me to, you're talking.
No, I'm not joking. We used to watch Survivor every season, Mom and I. It was our Thursday thing. And I was like, well, it'd be fun to live on an island one day. Try it out.
As a matter of fact, I remember when I was in Tucson, you used to watch it on your mom, and we used to watch it too.
So, shout out Survivor 50. This is your fault.
Mom didn't listen no season. Every time I come on, Mom said, "Tired. Survivor is on." I'm like, okay.
Oh boy, it's about to get real.
That's true.
Okay, we're gonna go back to the show now. Now you know. Now. We'll see you guys in a couple hours. What's up, man? Puppy says hi. I heard you got a project. Yeah. Yeah, she sent me a text. She told you to? She told you to? What? Okay. Okay, what are we doing? Okay. I mean, what's the project? Do you know what the project is? Good morning, Andre. What's the project, bro? You don't know? You don't even know what the project is? You just said, I got a bunch of supplies, I gotta make something? Cool. A booklet. All right. Well, that's gonna be fun.
When you're ready.
Hmm?
When you're stuck.
As soon as my Survivor's over. Yeah. It's season 50. It's kind of a big deal. Why don't we get all the supplies on the table, and then we'll figure out what we need to do. All right?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Okay, got my Survivor fix. We're feeling a little better. Oh, except for Rags. It fell in. Yeah, that just happened. Really? Lovely. Anyway, yeah. So, Andre's got a project to do. Craig's gonna be without his phone for a while. Junior's been going to Highgate rather than going to school in the morning on time as he should. So he's been without iPads for a while, and I think it's going to be a good thing. All right, let's see how they're doing. Woo. Wait, hold on. Let me shut this first. What do you think? Are they grown?
Down!
What? What?
That was 3 days ago. They weren't that big.
Well, I think it was a little more than 3 days, but yeah, they're getting bigger. I know.
When I got the cooler, they weren't that big.
I agree. Can you find the incubator? Incubator, baby?
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Right? Can you tell?
she's little right there.
I know. Just a little smaller than her friends. Wow. Well, we gotta get the water filled up. You gotta be careful where you step, alright? Ready.
Running out here, water.
Watch.
Ah!
Good job. Alright, let's go fill it up. You did great. All right. Check. Food is good. Water's good. I think we're good. We gotta go check the other chickens. Yeah. All right. Let's go get food for the big chicks. The big chickens.
Yep. I'm pretty terrified.
Why? I'm terrified. What is on your head, dude? You got.
Oh, it's gel.
Why do you have gel in your hair?
This is kind of weird. But I was actually putting edges.
Oh, you're putting your own edges on, huh?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Wow.
Why are they cursing at me already?
Because you got their food, bro. They know it.
What do you mean?
Look what's in your hand.
Oh, this is not your food. This is just some jerk chicken.
I don't think they'd be happy about jerk chicken.
See?
Mhm.
I'm eating jerk chicken.
Let's go, bro. They need to eat.
Oh, sorry.
All right. You gonna feed them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, me?
Yeah, you.
Heck no.
Look at my pineapple.
Oh.
Cool. It's getting there. All right, let's go. Watch out for puppies. We're gonna feed them, bro. Do you see this? You don't see it. Whoa, da-da-da-da-da-da. You know what that is? Your favorite.
No, it's not.
It's not your favorite? You remember what it's called?
Yeah.
What?
Eggplant.
That's right. It's not your favorite? No?
No.
Okay.
But I tasted.
You tried it. That's right. You tried it. All right, seatbelts.
Seatbelt.
Seatbelts.
Just lay down.
That's good. Puppies understanding life. We have to go get Mars. It's already 1:30. Where does the time go?
Yeah, pick up my then guy.
Yeah, we gotta go pick up a couple things. As usual. Hammocks that Emma bit a hole in. It should be patched. Who knows? Might get something for dinner. Need to find a hole. Speaking of holes, gotta find a hole punch for your book we're making. Who knows? What else?
What the heck is that hole punch?
A hole punch?
Yeah.
It makes holes in paper. It punches holes in paper. That's why they call it a hole punch.
Oh, a stapler?
No, a stapler holds paper together. This one puts a hole in it, like this big.
Ah! A little round
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah. The look around thing, them. Yay. Well, peace and quiet is definitely over. Oi! Where's your lunch bag?
Where's your lunch bag?
Okay, bye.
Where is it your lunch bag? Let them know go back to school now. Come on.
We're going.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
All
All right, who's the first person to get their seatbelts? All right, seatbelts. Andre, watch your shoes, bro.
Mars, make sure that juice is cock, you know.
Here, hold on, Mars.
Mars,
Cheers.
that's your whole like peanut them like.
Hi, what? Why?
I'm
I'm gonna shut the lid. I'm gonna make sure the lid's shut. I'm gonna give it right back to you. Look.
It's alright.
Yeah, the lid's not shut, bro. Cool. Put your bill. How you gonna? Oh, okay. We got juice and we got peanuts in the car.
And they pull them from for school.
And you said this is a great idea. You wait till Tyler hears about this.
You can get a 4-year-old shot today. And then give.
I'm gonna get joke. I'm gonna get injection.
How are you feeling?
Then so we give one Panadol.
Bitter or better? Better? Are you feeling bitter
I'm
or
gonna
better?
get injection.
In the shoulder?
Then so we give.
Yes.
Did you cry? You sure? Did Shania cry?
Someone get the injection.
Oh, just you?
No.
We'll leave them for 4 years.
Oh,
And
four.
somebody.
Two snum buddies.
Bob and me.
Bob? Of course Bob got an injection.
Yeah,
Of course.
injection, look.
Bob?
Bob got
You got
an injection.
There's a kid named Bob?
Oh, God.
Me and my friend.
Yeah, Bob. Of all the kids' names I would have
There's
guessed.
Bob.
Hey, Bob got one.
And so do I.
Okay, get your belts on.
I will get an odd joke.
Okay, odd one. Okay. Anyway, no luck on the hole punch, but
You can check in.
I didn't get a hole punch, but I got a loop though. Ooh, I don't even know what that side's for.
Where's my people care?
Thank you. Thank you. I'm talking to my wife right now. 4 going on 14. Anyway, they're going for hammocks and vegetables. What am I going for?
Me not carry two of them with me.
Oh,
Sorry,
you're
if I then go with them alone. 'Cause, man, it's gonna be a hectic.
All right, I'll
one.
distract him. You run.
Either me carry one.
No, I'll
and
sacrifice myself. They can't catch us both.
Where's it now?
I'll distract him. You go out the back. Did you bring a bag?
No, cause they tell me say we don't need bag. When me all get some left
Where
back.
we're
No.
going, we don't need bags. All right, I'll distract them.
Where money them? Me no
Oh,
money.
you need money. Wow. How much vegetables are you getting? 1,000 enough?
Probably lettuce. Me say
I'll give you
cucumber
1,000.
down there.
It's the best that you can get for 1,000.
You can't get it.
There's a receipt.
No. Oh, me have to get some bag for now. Sorry, no, me a bag with them. Maris, I'm
we're
coming
gonna
out to
figure
take
this out.
care.
All right, listen carefully, gentlemen. You can get a snack, or you guys can get a lunch. You get a snack here, you're not getting a lunch. You go get a lunch, you're not getting no snack. Are you sure?
And the Miss not giving me a piece.
That's not a snack, sir. That's a
I'm not throwing her a Miss Snack. Give me snack.
no. That's way too much. No, hey guys, one little thing. We'll
Yeah,
figure it out. We'll figure it out. Or if you get something really small, then you need a lunch.
Yeah,
too. How you doing?
this. And this one.
Yo, Skittles.
Let's tell you more. Yes, sir.
Oh, I don't remember.
About
Nice.
this.
We gotta work on opening the Skittles bags. Can I have a Skittle, please? No, I just want one. Thank you. You see how, Andre? You see how, Andre? One in the hand. All right. Put those in your mouth. Make sure you chew, bro. Nana used the last of the wipes. I knew it. No, she didn't.
I'm gonna give one. I'm gonna give him water, but I'm gonna give him back the water.
That's because you didn't open it right, bro. Sonia got to enjoy the peace and quiet of traveling solo. Hi. You get one. No, dude, wipe off your hands. Give me the Skittles. Wipe off your hands. I'll teach you how to open Skittles. This is a blasphemy. This is okay. You see how Andre did it? You open the side, and you can take one at a time without making a mess in your hands. All right? Thank you. It's lovely. Sonia's enjoying her peace and quiet. Look, she's right there. I see her. Yeah. She had to go back in because I forgot butter. Here, I'm gonna leave her a surprise. God. Kids. And we're getting lunch. Some of us.
Yeah.
Yeah, real food. So Emma chewed a hole in the hammock since I put it on the table, and she was like, "That looks fun." And so now we got a nice custom patch done, custom patchwork, and it's looking fantastic. She did a very good job. $600. You get your hammock hole filled. I'm curious how it looks on the other side. Mars? I don't know where the other side went. There we go. I think. Yeah. Custom.
Look.
Custom, man. Designer stores, you'd pay extra for that. Either way. She did a good job. Cool. Hammock is back. Just waiting for Sonia. Don't worry, I got the kids. We're great. Oh, vegetables. Oh, she got vegetables? Yo, look at that head of lettuce. Ooh, and she got beans.
And then red.
They don't care. I know. They're wow. Tomatoes, carrots, and my favorite. Okra. Why not? Okay. Taste the rainbow. We'll eat vegetables later. Take your time, bros. We're gonna make it. Missed.
Oh no.
Oh no. Hush. Okay. See, that's why we can't play the slap game. No more slap game, bro. Guess you're done. Oh, he's back. Ooh, Oh.
Yeah, you. Come. Because I'm get stuck when I'm around. Then I don't.
Yeah.
I'm
Competition. Who's going first? Looks like it's me. Yeah, I win. Who's could be Andre in second? Who knows? Oh my gosh! I could turn on the car. Or Sonia. Or Mars. Sonia hadn't even started. Oh, I got her. Oh no, she's distracted. Oh no, there's something. Oh, Andre's got second. Who's gonna get on the podium?
Me.
Who's third? It's crazy. Wow. Oh my gosh, you guys. Well, good news is they got baked chicken. Hold on, this might be poisonous. I'm going. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Careful. You can do it. That's the good arm. That's the good one, man. Okay.
Yeah, but this not gonna hurt you.
So you gotta take out that one.
Mm.
Okay.
Alright.
I don't know why where are we going? Up or down? I don't know what that did, dear, but okay.
Oh, Mares. Alright,
we doing it.
Jesus.
Pull it down, run it up. Do it like he used to do. He's like fast and quick. Go. Oh, not the arm. Bring on the Panadol. Okay. You did great, man. But look, there's food right there in your bowl. That'll make you feel better. Okay. Ah, boy.
Where you go for?
I don't know. He ran away. Yeah. I don't miss being 4. Do you miss being 4?
When?
They canceled his running adventure because of rain. Did they reschedule it? Junior? Did they reschedule it? Do you know if we're waiting? We'll run another day, man.
So you go run today?
No, they canceled it because of that.
The weather?
Yeah. Mares, you can do it, man. I don't miss being 4. Those 4-year-old shots. We got Panadol on standby, don't worry. What? Could be a long night. It could be a long night, man. You're on babysitter duty.
Me?
Yeah.
No, go deal with this. No.
You're no. You're on babysitter duty. Huh? Okay. You feeling okay? You feeling better? No? Alright, well, we're gonna get through this. Oh boy. You okay? Does that holding one arm up make you feel better? Okay, okay. Hey, Mars, you know what make you feel better? Lunch. It's in your bowl right there. It'll make you feel better.
You sure it was nice, man?
Oh boy. We're gonna. Junior, how's the food? Sweet. All right, well, it's time. It is time. Let me tell you. Little hammock rant. Why not? Why not? Yeah, even puppies are involved. Yeah, you're included. Don't worry. I see you. Hi. Hi. I see you. I gotta do this on my own, bro. Gotta do this on my own. Yeah, it is hammock rant time. Like, I have quickly found out. And I'm being reminded, no matter whether you have a job, whether you have 3 jobs, whether you have no job, there will be stressors in your life. Yeah, there will be stressors in your life. Hold on. You got a little something. You got a little something in your nose, bros.
Yes, sir?
And you're right. You're right. My left. No other. Yeah, there's something there. Wow, you lad. Anyway, yeah. Speaking of stressors, yeah, there will be stressors. You think you quit work and you're gonna live stress free? No, stress will happen, whether you are ready for it or not. Right?
Yeah.
That's Look at your 2 front teeth, though. Hey, they're coming. So yeah.
But look here. Look here.
Is it missing?
Yeah, it'll be pretty.
You lost another one?
Uh-uh.
Oh, it's moving. Andre, you look like you have a teeth coming out of your nose.
Ah!
I know. So
Brother, stop.
yeah. So that's my little venting session right now. Just realizing deep breaths are required consistently. I'm playing chase with the dog. Mara's got an injection today. He's miserable. Junior didn't have his race today because of the rain. He's not miserable yet. Andre's got work to finish. We've been working on that book, but he's still got writing to do. Andre, remember our song? Remember? Yeah, This Is My Life song. Andre's going to sing you the This Is My Life song. Andre, come. Ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3.
This is my life, I chose this. This is my life, I chose this. This is my life, this is my life, this is my life, I chose
this. Yeah, it's a working title, but remember we used to skip through the streets singing that song? What happened?
Yeah.
What happened? I know. We should get back to that. I think we should.
Whoa, Brody.
I know. Brownie, let go.
Brody's like a kangaroo.
He's a joey.
Like hanging to
boy. He's a joey.
What the heck?
You choose your stressors in life with coffee. Iced. Although I could have gone hot today because, you know.
God. Most funny. Angel. Zara, what do you make this funny for? But don't River Falls. For the money.
Because that's one of the only things we got, man. What do you mean?
Woo! See there, sir? But don't River Falls.
Because that's one of the most recognized places in Jamaica.
Where you go there?
Yeah.
YouTuber, so I just got back from school and I got a maths test today and I scored 57% on it, and I'm trying to do better at math. Today I did a classwork on integrated science and I got the whole of them right, and then I went for lunch. I drank soup and and we didn't have class after lunch, so we sit in class and play our game. So that was my day today. Make sure you guys like and hit the bell and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. No. Yeah, no, no, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, oh. All right. Oh, here I come with love and all so. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow all the days of my life. The evil no one, no wish to be with. No evil man, for there will come the day when you will be walked by the Father head. Oh, live up the root kids. Oh, oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, live up the root kids. Oh. YouTubers. So I was at my school, and so I told my parents that it was sports day. So I go. No, I didn't go because they canceled it. So when I reached at school, devotion go and then sir call me and said ready, and then when sir Jeff was in here, somebody call him and say sports and now keep again. So he turned back, and then that was my story. Good night, YouTubers. Have a great night, sleep well, and I wish you a pleasant day.
Good night, sir. Bye. Watch the gate. Good night. 6-7. Close enough.